Accommodation for tonight, the Hakuba Meteor Pension and Lodge Hotel. Ayan, so pasok tayo guys. Guys, binigyan pa kami ng 3,000 coupon na magagamit namin sa gala namin. So ayan, aside sa travel support program ng Japan ngayon, naka-avail kami ng 5,700 discount at saka may 3,000 pa na coupon. So, ang saya-saya talaga. Ayan. So, let's go. Parang ano siya, US, parang nasa America yung ano, napapanood mo sa TV, yung vibes niya. Kasi ayan, look at the surroundings, adaming red, orange everywhere, tsaka may mga cabin pa siya, as you can see. Yan, maganda talaga. another game. Card game against humanity. A party game for horrible people. Oh my gosh. We're not horrible. We're not going to play that one. Guys, so these are accommodation for tonight. So it's our first time to try a pension or large hotel like that. So it's very cozy. We like the ambience, and Erin is having fun because there's a lot of toys in here. Yeah. But this one, and over there is a dining area. So, and our room is in the second floor. Let's go. It's the room sleeping. A monster. A ghost. Come on.
Like a baby crawling like that.
Do not crawl it.
Nemoy? Nemoy naman eh. Love you, Kukun. Ate. Hi.
The baby is sleeping.
Sleep na si Kyosuke. Going to go to sleep. We're going to sleep now. So actually it has 3 bed, guys. So dinikit lang namin itong dalawa. So the other bed is there. And then ayan, there's a own toilet and bathroom. Yung ibang rooms kasi shared toilet and bathroom lang siya. And then ayan, the TV. So medyo makalat. Ate.
Hi.
Hi, beauty pie. So this is we're on the second floor. So let's see. So hindi siya. It's all dark. It's already evening.
Can you look? Where's the moon?
No moon.
Yeah.
And good night. Sleeping time. So sleeping time na sila. Si Papa din. Come on, I will hug my kids. Wake up time, wake up time. And good morning. Good morning, guys. Call lang muna ako ng mga gamit sa labas. It's a foggy morning, guys. So, ayan po. time na kami. So, in a few minutes, magbe-breakfast kami downstairs. And then after that, going to a stroll outside.